Alright, super fast tutorial. Get your own ROM for Ocarina of Time. I can't show you where to go, but I would definitely not suggest going to Myrant 64 or Myrant, just put 64. And I definitely would not suggest downloading this exact Ocarina of Time zip file, because YouTube says I can't show you where to go and how to do that. Blah blah blah. Alright, now you go to a web browser, search Ship of Harkinian, first link, click that. You can go to Discord. I'm going to do GitHub because it's faster. Windows, because I'm on Windows. And once that is done downloading, close your Chrome tab. I'm going to move this to the desktop to make it easier. So now, here's about zip files. So you want to extract this. Going to pause this part. Alright, so once that's extracted, you don't need this zip file anymore, but I'm just going to leave it here. This is it. You want to also extract your ROM. You need to make sure to do that, otherwise it's not going to work. That was way fast. Alright, so you want to click on the Ship of Harkinian Mac file, click on this is application, no RTR files found, cool, generate one, look for ROMs, yes please, and it should just be wherever you had it. Honestly, I don't really know where you would put it, but and once you do that and you do the thing, it should load. It's going to do all this weird shit. Don't worry about that. That's good. You want that to happen. Alright. No, I mean, unless you want to extract another ROM, but... And there you have it. Okay, now that it's all set up... Jesus, that is loud. Hit F1 to get your control panel and all that good stuff up here. See, this is the cool thing about Ship of Harkinian, is you can increase the internal resolution, back and forth, you see. Anti-aliasing, you can crank the frame rate up to 360 frames per second. That hurts my eyeballs. Jesus Christ. The original was at 20 FPS, which is pretty abysmal, but you have controller mapping. You can also use keyboard, which is cool. If you have an Xbox controller connected or something, it should automatically detect it. For example, turn my controller on, and it detected it. So that's how you get that set up. And yeah, that's it actually. Well, there you go.